the difference we are serving that makes it our USP the ultimate selling point. Alright, so let us see now the analysis for US30 Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Okay, so support is intact at the level of 32133, which is here. Alright, if we are taking a bounce from it, it is a historical trend line. If it is breached, then we'll have a good spike on the upside. Else, we have to wait and watch for this consolidation between the level of 32323 and this historical white trend line. Alright, above the level of 32177 we'll take long, and our targets will be 32216 followed by 32323 followed by 32372 followed by 32489. Alright, up till here. And in the short we have to wait for a closing below the level of 32068. Alright, which is the swing level. We have to wait for a closing below this. If we start to fall below this, then we have we have 5 targets on the lower side because it is highly stretched for now, and also it is a strong resistance. So the first target will be 31992, second target will be 31950, followed by 31883, followed by 31848, and there is a support level at the level of 31778. Okay, this level should act as a support now, although I've marked it as a swing, but this level should act as a support. Alright, I'll not be showing in the smaller time frame because I want you all to learn and earn through our course. Alright, my main motive is to teach you how to be your own boss, how to start earning, how to trade the markets, how to make proper entry and exit of the trades, how to find the level from where we are going to have a breakdown, from where we have to have a good breakout, the intraday scalping and everything. Alright, that's why I'm asking, just go and watch the course overview video that I uploaded yesterday. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, stop loss is very important.